Increase height using law of attraction. How would you like to increase your height naturally? As amazing as it sounds, by just generally thinking tall and walking tall, you can naturally add inches to your height. We become so accustomed to slouching and shortening our natural height that before we know it we are 2 or 3 inches shorter than we should be. But with these positive affirmations and a little bit of focus, you can fix this problem. This sounds amazing, but this actually works. These affirmations will help you to simultaneously relax your body, stand tall, and strengthen your overall body posture, and in so doing you will gain height naturally. The best way to use these affirmations is to choose a few and use them throughout the day as you walk, stand, sit, and move. And here's another very important point: do not try to force it, let your posture unfold and lengthen naturally, and let your height increase effortlessly. So here's the affirmations, use them regularly and just let it all happen very naturally, and with time, you will increase your height. Present tense affirmations: I am tall, I am standing straight, I am releasing all tension in my neck and shoulders, I always walk tall and with confidence, my body is relaxed and tall, my posture is perfect, I always stand up straight, I always sit with good posture, my back is relaxed and straight, I always hold my head high. Future tense affirmations: I will increase my height each day, I grow taller, my height is beginning to naturally increase, I am finding it easier to stand straight, people are beginning to notice my increased height, my spine will relax and lengthen, I will walk tall, I will correct my posture and increase my height, I will relax and lengthen my neck, I am regaining my natural height. Natural affirmations: I can increase my height, I am naturally tall, my body is effortlessly lengthening, I always remember to check my posture, correcting my posture is increasing my height, releasing tension throughout my body will make me taller, my mind and body are working in sync to increase my height, standing tall is just the natural way I stand, I naturally maintain healthy posture at all times, I stand tall and proud.